Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are going to delve into the brand of Thomas Kosmala and this fragrance called, what is it called? Musk Otone. So Musk Otone from Thomas Kosmala. This is a first for me from this brand. I haven't heard much of this brand within our community, but I'm always intrigued to find out a brand, give them a sniff, see what they're all about. This one is, I'm assuming, centered around the note of musk. The note breakdown here is bergamot, gardenia, middle is iris, vanilla, and musk, and the base is sandalwood, powdery accord, and incense. So not a bad note breakdown, a lot of notes that I'm familiar with. Let's delve into it. Let's unbox this one. So let's delve into it. Let's open her up and see what I get with this release. Again, new brand, new fragrance. I'm really intrigued to see what I get from the brand. So this is what the bottles look like, and very simplistic. It does have a lot of detail on the cap, fairly heavy cap. Okay, let's sniff this one. It's gonna be my scent of the day today, and let's delve into it. Oh, almost, where can I go with this? Watery, very ozonic, cucumber-like. A lot of fragrances do that with a watery aspect. Very interesting, very green, but watery, musky, yes. A little bit of an earthy quality to this release too. And a little bit of creaminess. So I'm assuming, you know, the gardenia here is doing its thing in the opening for me. Very interesting release. More watery green, more ozonic than anything. Yeah, and a little bit of creaminess here with this release. So an interesting release that I can't wait to delve more into. Let's see what the dry down gives me. Very watery, ozonic release. The first thing that came to mind is cucumbers. Yeah, it has that it's very interesting. But this one, of course, I think is going to be more geared towards spring and summer. And we'll see what I get in the back end of this release. I'm just going to take a look at the note breakdown again. Gardenia, bergamot. I guess it has a sparkly iris. I'm not really getting much of that. Musk, yes. Vanilla, not really. Not getting any real sweetness here. Powdery accords, a little bit of that sandalwood. Yeah, the creaminess, the incense. No, not at all. So interesting opening to a fragrance, and we'll see what we get once I get into a test drive with this one, wear it for several days and see what I get out of it. But very interesting release, cucumber-ish. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. I don't know if this is a really popular brand within the community, so I don't really know how many comments we're gonna have on this particular release. However, if you're familiar with the brand, and if you have smelt other fragrances, please share your thoughts on this release. I may be actually the first one on YouTube to talk about this release, which is always interesting. But as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.